Hi everyone, welcome back to Mama's Nook for another DIY craft video. If you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy Valentine centerpiece. To make this, I will be using a plastic container, a teddy bear, some floral pieces, some oasis, and tissue paper. This is all from Dollar Tree. Some cardboard, which I have cut with my Cricut into hearts and painted red. A card holder pick, this I got on Amazon. Some vinyl decals cut with my Cricut. Let's get started. So first I am going to just put the tissue paper inside the container. And I have a Love Infinity decal to put on the front of the container. So now I'm going to place my teddy bear down inside for placement. And we will start adding some of our floral pieces. So now these are Valentine picks. And I'm just going to spread them apart a little bit and then intertwine them together to mix the colors rather than cut them apart. And I will stick those into a piece of oasis. And add these in behind the bear. Some baby's blood, a couple little pieces of oasis in front of the bear, and I'm going to add a few roses across the front. And lastly, I'm going to make a little card pick for it. So I have 3 cardboard hearts that I cut with my Cricut, and I'm just going to use some 2-sided tape and then I'm going to add hugs and kisses to the hearts. Now because I'm putting this on cardboard, I am actually using Glide Press and Seal for the transfer tape. And it doesn't peel the paint off. And I will just put this onto the card holder. And we'll add it to our little centerpiece here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like. I would really appreciate your support. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.